Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I have a new tablet which is off to the side here. This is the Samsung Tab S4. It's quite an old one. It's an older model. I like it. It was what I wanted it for, the drawing aspect, and some of the app doesn't really run on it no more, so I ended up asking my mum for a new tablet. So she's got a new tablet but she didn't want this one, so I'm giving her this one, and then we're gonna swap everything over to this one for her. I think this is going to be easier for her to hold and manage. So let's put this aside. It has an S Pen as well, but it's an older S Pen. So yeah, let's move that to one side. Here comes the new one. So I have the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, which is the 5G one. I didn't take the SIM card, so because it will always be connected to a Wi-Fi or whatever. So we're just gonna unbox it. I'm hoping this is gonna be easy. These pull tabs. Nice. I did get it in the beige, which is more, I've been seeing online it's more silver than the beige colour. My other one is in black, so let's move that like that. So in here is the cable, and then your SIM jack tool with the micro SD slot as well. So, and there is the new S Pen. It's really nice actually. Kind of like it. Compared to my other one, it's a little bit thinner, but it is a little bit longer. I kind of like it in this colour. I've seen like the previous model, it's a black. They didn't do the colour with the tablet. So, right, let's have a look. Where do we open it? Open it this way. I do have a case coming, but it hasn't arrived just yet. There it is. It's a lot thinner than my other one. It's a little bit bigger as well. So yeah. It has speakers on both ends of the tablet. It's USB-C as well. The Samsung Tab S4 is also a USB-C. So if I can get this out. You can see like it's a little bit thinner. It's a little bit bigger. This has a matte screen protector on. So yeah, it's 64 gig. This is 256 gig, I think, if I remember correctly. So we're just gonna turn it on. It charges the pen on the back as well, the S Pen, but that's for the Bluetooth aspect of the pen. I think it's because I've got the plastic still on it. We need to change it to English UK. I'm going to set it manually. Ooh, didn't want to do that. Turn on Wi-Fi. I'm just going to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So hopefully that will nicely do. Your tablet needs to restart to set up the features, so we're just going to quickly restart. The pen actually feels really nice in the hand. As you can see, I've got my custom screen wallpaper on here. So yeah. Come with 48% battery in the box, so that's quite nice to have. As I say, it's going to be a quick video because it's just setting it up, unboxing it, and then I'm going to wait for the case to come and everything. Let's don't copy for now. I just want this as my digital planning and everything. I like how it's made my video really dark. I've not got white balance on. Skip that from now. Oh, great. I like dark mode, so it's going into dark mode for me. Oh, I do like it. It is a little bit nicer. Let's just turn down that volume. Right, it sounds off. So yeah, it's quite nice and smooth. I do like it with the pen. So yeah, how are you? You have to do a lot of updates throughout the thing. So what I'm going to do is I am going to come away, play around with it for a couple of days, and then I'll come back and add on to the end of this video how I feel about it, what I think and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit later.